How to open a live account on Ctrader. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to open up a live account using Ctrader ID. Now for this to work, all you have to do is to use any web browser available on your end, then simply access Blackpool Markets. This is where you can actually create a live account on Ctrader platform. Now from here, all you have to do if you don't have an account yet, just simply click this option here that says join now, or log in using your Google, Apple, or your Facebook. Now access Blackbull Markets and then choose on trading accounts. Right side on that, you should be able to see create an account. Click that, and then on the next page, you will be on the next window, which is going to be creating a live account. Now simply change the platform type into Ctrader, change the currency and then the language that you prefer, and then hit on submit. Once everything is submitted, it usually takes up about 3 to 5 minutes for you to receive the email, which you completed the account registration of a live account on Ctrader. Simply tap on Generate Ctrader ID Password for it to be activated. And that is how you create a live account on Ctrader.